Hi, I'm Charlotte. Some people call me Charlotte the Brave, and I have something really important to show you. Have you ever walked past a tree and thought, that's just a tree? I used to think that too, until my sister Caitlin and I started paying closer attention to the big old oak in Willow Creek Park, our tree. And what we found completely changed how I see every single tree I've ever looked at. Here's what I want you to think about. A tree isn't just a tree, it's a whole city. Right up in the high branches, if you look carefully, you might spot an owl tucked in against the bark, one golden eye open just a crack, watching everything below. That's its castle, its bedroom, and its lookout tower, all in one. Further down the trunk, there could be ants. Not just a few, but probably hundreds of them, moving in a perfect line, one after another, carrying food and messages back and forth. That trunk is their highway, and they use it every single day. And on the leaves, butterflies. They land on healthy green leaves to feed and to rest. To a butterfly, one leaf is a whole restaurant. Beetles, woodpeckers, spiders, tiny insects you need a magnifying glass to see, they all live there. In the bark, under the bark, in the roots, in the branches. One tree, hundreds of neighbors. Scientists call this a habitat. It means a place where living things find everything they need: food, shelter, safety, and a home. And here's the most important part. All those creatures don't just live in the tree, they help it too. Birds eat the insects that could damage the bark. Fungi in the roots help the tree drink. Even the ants carry seeds that grow into new plants beneath the branches. When the tree is healthy, everything around it is healthy too. But when the tree struggles, all of those creatures struggle with it. So next time you walk past a tree, any tree, in a park, on your street, in a garden, stop for a moment. Look up into the branches. Look along the trunk. Look at the roots going into the ground. Ask yourself, who lives here? Who is this tree feeding today? Who is keeping safe inside it right now? Because if you look close enough, listen hard enough, and care deep enough, you'll see it's never just a tree. The Curiosity Crew's motto is, look closer, listen harder, care deeper. Grown-ups, if you'd like to find a copy of The Case of the Whispering Oak, there's a link in the description below.